Fly, clip, clop, hop, flap, come along. A magical farm and a hidden glade sing their song. Colors swirl, berries glow. Join Maxi, Bolty, Roto-Dodo. Let's go! Yard Maxi the horse, brown and bright, with flowing mane and eyes of light. Yard Bolty the pony, small and cute, sparkling hooves and colorful suit. Roto the rabbit, playful and fast. Stray Dodo the duck, curious and steadfast. Look, the farm is bursting with color, said Bolty with cheerful wonders. And the berry glade waits for us, Roto squeaked. Let's explore without a fuss. Through rainbow fields, flowers bloom, sparkling streams and bees go zoom, zoom. Maxi galloped, Bolty trotted near, Roro hopped, Dodo flapped with cheer. Suddenly the lost berry glade appeared, red, blue, purple berries all revered. Sharing magic makes it even more bright, said Dodo, colors and berries are pure delight. Sure they danced, they played, picking berries and flowers, filling baskets in magical hours. Friendship and teamwork made the farm alive, helping each other made happiness thrive. Your lesson learned, adventure is fun. Colors shine brighter when shared by everyone. Even hidden paths or berries lost can be found together at any cost. Chai, clip, clop, hop, flap, magic's in the air. Maxi, Bolty, Roro, and Dodo wave with care. Laugh, share, and explore each day in farm.